今日同大家講下語言邏輯嘅問題。香港好多時有種句法呢，就係間餐廳好好食啊，你覺唔覺得有問題啊？香港人一定覺得冇問題嘅。但係如果你英文麻麻地，你直接將佢寫為英文，The restaurant is delicious，咁就好有問題啦。唔通間餐廳咁 delicious，你食咗間餐廳佢？唔係，你係想講 The food is delicious。你而家係咪明明地我講乜嘢語言邏輯呢？你後邊嗰節同埋前面嗰節係要配合埋一齊先至得嘅。好似 disappointing 咁啊，一個係 past participle， 一個係 present participle， 千祈唔好將佢兩個撈亂啊。譬如你可以話his performance was disappointing， 佢嘅演出真係令人失望啦。咁但係如果你講His performance was disappointed 就唔啱啦。Disappointed 係你嘅感受嚟嘅，咁所以你可以話 We were disappointed。咁我又問下你先啦，睇下你分唔分到exciting 啊？譬如我哋話 The kid was， 佢好興奮，咁你應該係填 excited 定 exciting 啊？但係如果我哋去迪士尼啊，譬如我哋覺得哇！嗰啲機動遊戲好刺激啊！咁 The ride was excited 定 exciting 啊？又諗諗佢先。好，答案揭曉啦。咁啊，梗係 The kid was excited because the ride was so exciting 啦。最後問你一條好深嘅題目啊！咁啊，近排啲 DSE 考生就快考試啦，咁啊都有啲壓力啊。壓力我哋叫做 stress。咁如果你話個考試令佢哋壓力好大，你應該係話 The examinations are， 俾兩個字你揀，你話係 A 啊定係 B 呢？你中伏了 ，A 同 B 都唔係，因為我哋唔會講話the examinations are stressing 咁樣嘅，我哋就會用 stressful。The examinations are stressful，so the students are all stressed。覺得好大壓力嘅時候點啊？揾朋友傾下偈咯，或者去跑下步咯。但係記得返嚟之後呢，你 stressed 完啦，努力讀書，你得嘅。